Luxury cars inarguably represent the epitome of human creativity and innovative excellence. When you are buying a luxury car, you are not only getting your hands on the beastly powerhouse of what would bring all of your high-speed traveling fantasies to life, but also the nuanced masterpiece of artistic touch and craftsmanship that goes into its manufacturing. But before getting started, please take a second to subscribe to our channel to get all the coolest news and updates. Here are the most expensive cars in 2021. W Motors Lycan Hypersport, $3.4 million. Unveiled for the first time in Qatar Motor Show 2013, this 7 units limited edition Lycan carries a price tag of a whopping $3.4 million. On the inside, the car has got a carbon fiber finish with a dashboard assorted with a holographic control system, featuring an eye-catching external design boasting a diamond-encrusted LED headlights, a markedly designed rear spoiler, and an acutely angular aerodynamic carbon fiber body. The car draws incredible power of up to 780 horsepower from the rear-mounted engine, capable of producing an acceleration of 245 miles per hour at best. From the officially declared specs, the car is claimed to achieve an acceleration of 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds, which is evidently second to none among the fuel vehicles. The oddly interesting name comes from an ancient mythical species of wolves, which are supposed to have transformational powers. The car has been manufactured by a UAE-based car company called W Motors, with the collaboration of Lebanese and Italian engineers, and is considered as the first sports car to have ever been indigenously manufactured in the Middle East. And for this reason, the car holds the title of the first Arab supercar. This car was also featured in the globally popular Fast and Furious movie franchise, and is reckoned to be the most expensive car to have ever appeared in the franchise. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, $5.74 million. Coming with a huge price tag of $5.74 million, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is a limited edition 30-unit product manufactured by the world's biggest sports car manufacturer, as it says in the title, Bugatti. An automotive beast, coupled with sheer beauty coming out of the hands of experienced craftsmen and engineers, is what defines a Bugatti, and the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus perfectly embodies these attributes. Channeling a power equivalent of 1,577 horsepower from an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine through a 7-speed transmission system featuring a dual-clutch and an automatic gearbox, this automotive powerhouse can produce enough power to reach the staggering speeds of up to 305 miles per hour. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus was in fact the first car ever to break the speed barrier of 300 miles per hour. The car is said to go from rest to 100 kilometers per hour in a matter of 2.4 seconds, competing with the currently available state-of-the-art electric vehicles. Talking about its shiny, magnificent exterior, the car is enclosed by a carbon fiber body carved into a lusty aerodynamic geometry. The look is accentuated by the special front and rear bumpers, which also serve the function of nudging a smooth laminar flow into place. Special air outlets have also been built into the front wheels in order to abet the release of excess pressure from the tires to ensure stability at high speeds. Bugatti Divo, $6 million. Bugatti is inarguably the leader in global luxury supercar industry, which is quite evident from the fact that it has already claimed 2 rankings among the world's top 5 most expensive cars in the world. Launched for the first time in 2018, the Bugatti Divo takes after the magnanimous success of Bugatti Chiron and steps up the game to the next level. Featuring a price tag of $6 million in the US, its production has been announced to be capped at 40 units, which is quite understandable given that there are not many people in the world who could afford this beast of a car in the first place. Compared to its predecessor, Bugatti Chiron, Divo is much more exotic in its look and much more exclusive in its specs and design. It outclasses the Chiron in having relatively better suspensions, a new dorsal fin, for better aerodynamics and a much lighter frame to make high speeding much more stable. The engine is the same as Chiron with 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 motors and generates a power of 1,500 horsepower, featuring an acceleration rate of 2.4 seconds for a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour run. Its maximum speeding capacity tops at around 236 miles per hour. Bugatti Cento Dieci, $9 million. This limited edition car, capped production at 10 units, has already found its happy owners despite a humongous price tag of $9 million. Featuring a middle-mounted 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 motor engine, which at this point has become quite a signature for Bugatti's crowning jewels, the car draws a power equivalent of 1,577 horsepower, which is transmitted across through a 7-speed transmission system featuring a dual clutch. Bugatti Cento Dieci is in fact a homage to the EB110, also called the Cento Dieci, produced back in the 90s. The company has claimed an acceleration rate of 2.4 seconds for 0 to 100 kilometers per hour and a capacity to reach the maximum speeds of up to 236 miles per hour tops. The car has a sleek and elliptical body with aerodynamic curves and grooves, as well as a rear fin to enhance the look and steady flow. Bugatti La Voiture Noir, $18.7 million. Bugatti kept it a lot simpler this time by naming the car as La Voiture Noir, which literally translates into the black car. The car was first unveiled in 2019 and has been the most expensive car ever manufactured since. The car is essentially an upgrade to the flagship Bugatti Chiron and is inspired by the lost Type 57 SC Atlantic. With a carefully carved carbon fiber body housing a rear-mounted 8.10-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, which is capable of generating an equivalent power of 1,479 units in horsepower terms and can produce a torque of up to 1,600 Nm. An acceleration rate of 2.4 seconds for 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is not a new for a Bugatti anyways. The car is capable of achieving the max speeds of up to 260 miles per hour. RollsRoyce Boattail. As of May 31st, 2021, Bugatti La Voiture Noir has been replaced from the spot of the most expensive car in the world as Rolls-Royce rolled out its $28 million exotic masterpiece, the Rolls-Royce Tailboat. Just by looking at it, you know it is one of a kind. Inspired by the J-Class racing yachts, this car has been giving a nautical-themed look. It is a coach-built vehicle based on the Rolls-Royce Phantom platform, featuring a removable canopy roof and 6.75-liter 563-horsepower twin-turbo V12 engine. Coming to the distinguishing features which make this car truly exotic, the car offers a hosting suite located inside its rear deck, which opens up to fetch utensils, glasses, and a double fridge, as well as a snacks area, making it a perfect luxury ride for a day out. On the inside, the car is adorned with timepieces exclusively commissioned from Bovet, a Swiss luxury watchmaker. And with this, we conclude our today's video. Did any of these cars intrigue your interest? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know about your dream car. We would love to hear your feedback. And if you liked this video, then make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with your favorite content, or better yet, suggest a topic by clicking the link in our description. And hey, don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.